photos.
On peut rester là.
You got a second one, yeah? I have a second one. What's the line?
I'm here, Laura. Look, do you want to come with me? No?
上不去。
Alright, that's okay, that's okay. You just want to sit there? Thank you.
Yang ini aja, yang the green one ya.
Big dragon, yeah?
Going next, okay? Hannah, try that. Next to a dragon.
Like that.
Which one you want? The green one or the green one?
You guys want to hold on. I will do for you.
Thank you. How do you just press here?
Nothing to do. The video is going on already.
Oh, perfect.
All you need to hold it for me, just cover my back.
Yeah.
And I can do you first. You want to do it for you? Yeah, I'll do it. So a video, photo. Video or photo?
Photo.
Let's go there then.
Sit in the middle so I can do it.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. We can just sit there if you want. Yeah, okay, kids are, yeah. Kids over.
No, this is a lion. Yeah.
He's so good.
She wants the red.
Just 1 second, 1 second. I basically took a video as well, and I'm taking photo as well. Yeah? Just have a look.
Thank you.
I took a couple of
Be
photos.
perfect.
Yeah, I took some videos as well. Yeah?
You tell me what you want and
You gotta do nothing to do, just hold me.
just hold it there.
Hold it.
What are you, a YouTuber or what?
You can just see that. No, I'm not a YouTuber.
You're pretty organized there.
I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just doing for my parents, that's it. I don't do YouTube. Sorry, let them go. I'm kind of the same.
By next year, when I learn a bit, I'll get you for this routine, okay? One day. I could work in a business spot. I tried to spot you, I was like, oh, you're doing it now.
I tried that a few times. Weeks back, when festival was like 3 minutes. I tried? Oh, so bye.
No, you're fine.
Hi, you want to take a picture with me or something?
Nice. Emma, did you want to pop in?
Beautiful.
Let's go, Riley.
Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
worries.
Thank you so much.
Mama?
Did you check the photos?
Really good, Mama.
All good.
The photos good? Yeah. Oh, your phone video clarity is so good, man.
Really good,
Yeah.
Mama.
Is it iPhone?
Yeah.
I bought a brand new iPhone. I'm not using it. I'm still keeping it home. It's a really good quality video. I do take video as well. See the video, it's nice.
Good, Mama.
The video, see the video.
Oh, yeah.
Good, Mama.
You can do it. Beautiful.
Oh, good. Good job,
The video is nice. Oh, it's better than GoPro camera.
It's a good camera.
Yeah. So I have iPhone. Which model is this?
It's 16.
Oh, 16. And Pro Max. Pro. That's not a Max. I got a Pro Max. So I didn't use it. I should use it. It's very good. Oh, this video is going.
Thank you.
Let you go. Have a good weekend. See you. Enjoy your holiday. Excuse me, man. Can you say something about Chinese New Year? So what is so special about this? Why you guys so special about Dragon?
Lion, yeah. So it's just Chinese New Year. We just have a couple of gigs to celebrate Chinese New Year. As you know, that's already. Are you recording me?
Yeah.
As you would know, that's already passed.
Yeah.
But just because it's past Chinese New Year, we tend to celebrate it within a couple of days. So across several days from Chinese New Year too, which is why we have a gig today, QV.
Is there any special thing about this Dragon dance? The Dragon dance?
Yeah, look, I think.
Four different types
Yeah,
of Dragon.
I mean, as a whole, like the lions just represent a means of like giving out, good fortune. So, as you might have seen in the performance, that we're throwing around oranges and lettuce as well. And the Chinese words for those are homophones with good fortune and good luck.
Yeah,
So
okay.
the
Oh, makes
concept is
sense.
we're passing around that good luck,
Good luck,
at the
yeah,
start of the new year, so people are lucky sort of
Lucky.
throughout the
So
year.
yeah. Oh, great. So that's why we makes sense.
Yeah, well,
And I always wondering Chinese New Year, something special about Chinese New Year. They dance with the dragon thing.
yeah,
What do you call that name?
Yeah,
What do you
that
call
was just
it?
a dragon. Yeah, so
Just the
those
dragon,
are dragons,
okay.
those are lions. Two people.
Oh,
and
that's
then
lion. Okay. That's,
Seventy.
oh, okay. Great.
They look like dragons as well. A lot of people tend to confuse them.
It was nice meeting you. Thanks for your time.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
all good.
Thank you.
Cheers.
I like this song. Hi, mate. How are you? This is made up of what?
Like animal skin. Yeah, like
And-
cow hide.
Sorry, man.
Sure. I think you start going Beijing at like 6.
Oh, okay. Because I'm going to.
You guys own it?
Because I'm going to
Yeah.
grab.
Okay. What is this
Bad
made
luck
up
to
of?
touch it.
Yeah.
Oh,
from
bad luck to
the-
touch it? Wow.
Yeah,
From 10 years ago.
Huh?
should take about half an
I'll
hour.
go back to 10 years?
We finished.
Oh, man. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Where's the building?
Oh, that one. Is that restaurant?
You happy Chinese New Year, guys? You too.
Yeah, like what's the forecast?
Oh my gosh, I remember that. I think we just get to a point
Oh, yeah, I understand.
Remy. Oh, that was good.